Ever dreamed of running your own workshops, webinar, online events, but been overwhelmed, almost kind of frozen at the thought of doing it all yourself, handling the technology, bringing your ideas to life? Or maybe you've got the ideas, but they're just scrambled. Now is the time to start to defrost and bring those ideas to life, let go of the stress and anxiety associated with that, and unleash your creative potential. Go from pulling your hair out, trying to figure it all out yourself, to having it done with you or done for you with the new TranceFormation's limited edition service. This is a dream come true, done for you. It's a game changer. You can go from idea to finished product within weeks. The done for you includes about 20 different things, but overall, course design consultancy, idea generation and dissemination, workshop and webinar landing page setup, creation of your PowerPoint slides, running the webinar for you, handling all the technology in the background, confidence and mindset coaching if you need it, an MP3 of your event so you can take it evergreen. It means you just need to show up, do your thing, and everything else is done for you. You also get to tap into 35 years of experience in event management, workshop design and development with Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, multi-disciplinary therapist. If you want to learn more about this incredible service, you can find it on the Done For You, Done With You page. The URL is a mouthful. Go to my main website, TranceFormationstm.com. Click on the red Watch New button. When you land on the page, a panel will slide out and you'll find the information. It is truly exclusive, restricted, limited, because it's a bespoke one-to-one service. It's also a global opportunity. So if you would like to sign up, get that into action now, and it will be an absolute pleasure to work with you. I can only take one or two people at a time because it is as it sounds. So yeah, and if you want to learn more about the TranceFormation Taster, where you get an overview of what's included, plus some of the new stuff that is coming on stream, then that information is there for you as well. And the URL for that one is www.bit.ly/free trance. Now, with regard, and trance is TRANCE, so free transformation taster, and TranceFormations TM is TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS. DM as in trademark.com, so transformationstm.com. And if you would like to take up this opportunity, then grab it while you can, because it won't be around for very long. And I really look forward to working with you, helping you to bring your ideas to life in record time. And the person I've worked with recently, they've been thinking about running a workshop for 20 years and hadn't done it. And we had the first workshop done within 6 weeks. Now, of course, results are going to vary depending on what stage you're at, etc. But it can be that quick. And they also made sales from their very first free workshop, which was a lovely bonus as well. So yeah, get yourself signed up if this is something that you've been dreaming about doing. I look forward to working with you. Marilyn Devonish, over and out.